Subscribe to this channel.
Previously on The Bartender.
No, you're not Mr. Rough, you know.
You're not a doctor.
I'm not need for going to doctor, you know, say there's a little flesh wound.
Suppose you get infected instant.
Nah, God. That's why you clean it and change it for me.
Come to the place where you used to go.
Link still there. What you suggest?
Go down make a cool out.
And that's the shoppy.
About a week ago.
You go look for him?
No, we talk over the phone.
But what? In here, oh, you sound like you interrogate me.
This nice, eh? Oh, that was something, yeah? That's how my sneakers were. They'll give me this.
You get the letter?
You want to make my offer see him today?
So badness you go. Let me see how bad that.
Mike, may I beg you, please leave the recruiting process to me.
Alright. It did seem like a good choice at the time.
Minister, listen me carefully. I am in business with you. I am in a partnership with you. The deal is a percentage of the profit should reach my account at the end of every month. And every month may have to be calling you.
Diamond.
I know there are literally a million things going through your head right now, but this is the one I want you to focus on. What has Dr. Grant induced in your pregnant ex-wife and your baby?
That is how you dress a woman. Alright?
Mommy, I ever get shot before?
No, my daughter. But I dressed all of the soldiers them that got shot and I helped all of them get back together and heal them.
Mommy, I want to help too.
You do?
Yes?
Okay. So here what? One of these days I'm going to teach you how to dress different kinds of wounds. Alright?
Yeah.
Because you have gunshot wounds, you have dog wounds, you have even like a scrape where people think they're going to die. But you have to treat all wounds with care because if you don't, they might get infected. Alright?
Yeah?
Then,
Yeah?
breakfast is ready. Right?
Are you around there? Eat it out, not true?
Margaret, me never cook it for decorate it and for you to sit down and look on it, you know. Which one the funny?
I'm married to a real foodie, you know.
You know, say, she have a one turn it's like a you.
As long as she not going to the hand, God with it.
Yeah, me I get to you now.
It not get to me, you know. I want to save life. But you see, when you go war, I feel helpless. I see too much dead body.
Then Margaret, why not just leave it and come back home?
Darling, it's the benefit. And I want a better life for we and Denise.
But you have a good life here. Remember, say the farmer go and good. See me like export yam, things are going. Plus, the people them are blessed me when me give them the little spiritual healing and all them something. We don't want no big house. We alright, you know.
I get what you're saying, you know. But this is what I love. You have to understand that. Alright. Here's the deal. I'm gonna spend 1 more year in the army and then I resign. And then we use my little savings and invest in our little clinic. And then you can come down there and see me anytime and do a little spiritual healing. Okay, my love?
You never cease to amaze me. That sounds like a plan.
Yes, it is.
We can work it. So, Margaret, which part of the army I say you go now?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan? Where I don't know which part the man they wrap up their head.
Shepherd.
Look, Margaret, I don't have a good feeling about this.
Shepherd, just call on some of the ancestors them, man, to guide me and protect me. That's all you need to do. You don't need to be worrying about that.
Margaret.
Denise, you finished eating?
This don't feel right.
Me know me should do it, but it just happened so fast. I fear. Daddy, you can please stop meditate now? That distract me.
Chakra di bakra. Uzum di guzum. Rumba mi susumba. So, you tell your best friend lie. You feel guilty about it.
Exactly.
Remember, we did tell you to prepare for these things.
Why you gotta have to make them so
Aye,
to me?
aye. Don't blame God nor the ancestors for the decisions where you make. It's you go for the boy. Your hands him call. Here bring him down your yard, go hide him. Nobody but you.
But Daddy, we could just turn my back on him.
And I understand that, Denise. But the decision remain yours.
What am I gonna do?
You already make that decision.
But all you know, me decide nothing.
So, is who go and run the shop?
I will explain the object to you when I reach. I just want to know if the place still up, you see me?
Yeah man, code boss. Place still there man. How long you bill for?
Yeah, about a month.
So code boss. How the shop go go?
Like me say, When I forward, we deal with the details. You see me?
Oh, bro, no sorry.
Me I travel light, you know.
Run govern, man. If you want to feel safe, strap up on the base.
Alright, no say 40. Now next about 3 hours, so you see me?
Cool.
Your mother always wanted to help people. That's why she turned nurse. But she'd have an adventurous side to her. So she got turned war nurse. Boom! Mama dropped side her like a rain. And it looked like you have some of that adventurous side too.
Daddy, I didn't know some mommy did
I tried to tell her. But she was more concerned about saving soldiers. Nobody never did if you save she.
Look at it this way, Daddy. She passed with doing what she loved.
And that is the point, Lily girl. You take after your mother with certain things. I can only ask the ancestors to guide you. Because you have to walk your own path. I will be there to give you advice when you need it.
You're the best father, you know.
Hey! And that your mama used to say about me, you know. Say me, I'm the best baby father. Hey! You know say that inspire Shabarang song?
Shabarang song?
Best. Me a the best baby father in a Jamaica. And for all woman you want to baby father. Best baby father.
I'm asking for you.
What you mean? Eh? And that your mama used to call me. Me a the best baby father in a Jamaica. How we a chat to Lily girl? You don't even know.
So, Daddy, why me trade box still down here?
What make you so fast, Lily girl? Why you don't mind your own business?
Wow. They'll tell you, come here later.
Come out of my room. You slack. I wish you left the bag out here for. Balak, Italak. Ratches, me cry.
Hello, Simone.
Are you able to see the patient?
Today?
Yes.
Well, I have a few other patients to see today, so it will have to be in the afternoon.
That's cool. You remember the directions on the map?
Yeah, it's 3 miles from point A, then I turn left, drive for 1 mile, take the last right turn, I think, and stop at the truck and wait there until you call me.
Yeah. We'll get the rest of the directions from there.
Okay. Got it.
Dr. Grant,
Yes, Simone?
I can trust you, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Alright, Simone.
Dodging bullets and trading them behind parked private vehicles in the usually crowded space are licensed firearm holders. Both men would have been deemed fit by the authorities to possess such a license and weapon to protect their lives and assets.
Hey Angie, you there home?
Yeah, why?
Stop by. Angie, it's important, man. I have to see you. Alright?
Yeah, man, babe, sir. Look at it, man. And then I look on right now. Oh, God, babe, man. You don't feel bad. You don't have no reason to feel bad. Because if when me I look on correct, I even move sideways. You mess, man. You have no need to worry. As far as I see it, I call this justice. Alright? So, we could change the subject for a minute. By the way, so tell me, you alright? Yeah? So, where you going for lunch today? Alright, that's so good. Yeah, man, I can have it delivered, man. Can have it delivered. No problem. Alright, do it. You what? Never get some business done. Never make 2 phone calls and get back to you here. Alright. Don't worry about it, man. I got you, girl. Alright. Later. How the who you around with? Hey, you know what I'm calling what expect you.
So them take him gun and him a call on God name.
The brother just vindictive and coward. Me tell him to just keep quiet and we sort out everything.
But Mike, at 3 days now, them have him a question him. We not there for support him. How you think him a go feel? Him feel like we abandon him.
Him too impatient.
What you would do if it was you?
It get worse.
What you mean it get worse?
We get called about the incident. They might think about revoking my license.
What?
Them so put an undertrained security in a sleeper position and endangered lives.
We put an undertrained security. You mean you put him there? You put him there when me there Amsterdam. When me come here, I ask about him. Because him never display no kind of sleeper ability.
Angie, me understand that. Me blunder big time. But you cussing me now go help now. We need for defend our license.
Who we have to talk to?
Sir Mullins.
Jesus Christ. Mr. Iron Man. That man is a no-nonsense man, you know.
Me know. But you know him, right?
Yeah. I him train the man who train me. What time him want to see we?
3 p.m. today.
Alright, here we go. Come pick me up back in 45 minutes. May I get ready?
Alright. Now circle, get ready and come pick up.
You good?
Yeah.
Not sound too sure. You need more time?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Okay. Diamond. Remember so we talk about life and death. Remember so we talk about real thing. You have to have you at 100% mentally and physically. No joke in that. None.
I know, boss. But I just feel like I disappoint you. I just feel like I let you down.
Listen, man, I said. So that was one a situation that we are talking about. That now gonna make me lose respect and ratings for you. That is just a situation.
I should lose to that girl there.
Mama, come on, man. You have to know this. You win some and you lose some.
I know that. But you give me a chance to prove myself and I lose. I lose it.
You prove yourself to me more than enough time. Nah, man. Let me explain something. You could have easily beat Slimmers. You have the upper hand pan her throughout the whole of the day. You thump up her face and I realize it. But your intentions are genuine.
Why you say that?
It's like this. You did want to win to prove say you can run the gun. She did want to win to take herself out of the game, turn over a new leaf, start a new life. Her reason and her motivation was stronger than yours. Her passion to leave was stronger than your passion for come. See, Pri?
Yeah. I understand. Lando. I know when me I go get free pay for you do for me, I see.
As simple matter as that, no. See? Simple matters. All I want for you is for you to get back your heaven again. 100%. Get back your heavens right. Whatever you go through, overcome. See? With all due respect, tell her already that I'm not working. Our job, what we have to do, emotions is a weakness. You understand? So, you just want to walk with it. See? Listen, man, I don't want you to feel like, say, me a robot, you know. I mean, I feel nothing for you. But
where we in right now, the place where we in, plus the experience when we have, tell me straight up, is a bad idea. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to hurt you. You always me say to you. So that's the best thing. I will just keep the thing on the level. So see it.
Alright. So what are the plan for today?
Well, just get a call from Kingman a while ago. Seem to have some issues that we need to resolve.
I'm ready to get grimy again, you know?
You ready?
Ready.
Yeah. That's the diamond I know. Make way your king as now. And then we can take it from there, so. See ya?
Alright.
I gave you a shout out today on here.
Really?
But
That's
I forgot
nice.
to message you answer it. Sorry about that.
Missed it.
You shouldn't have. You should be listening to Reading My Friend.
You know, my dad should be stuck on reading
Yes,
myself.
102.1.
So, let me go over your report. You signed off on an under-trained sleeper with the hope that he was going to get better in the field.
Yes, sir.
And that's the story you're sticking with.
It's not a story, sir. It's the truth. Angie had nothing to do with this. She was working based off my assessment.
Angie, did you do a secondary assessment?
No, sir. I trusted Mike's judgment.
And this is why we're here. You are the expert in the field.
With all due respect, sir, since we've started, we've had a 90% success rate with all our sleepers in how to defuse situations and remain undetected.
Let me stop you right there. In this business, there is no room for error. 90% means nothing. Let's get this straight. This individual brandished his gun in public and fired several shots.
We understand the severity of the situation, sir, and we accept the consequences.
Angie, you know I have the utmost respect for you. You're like my daughter. But this is a delicate situation. Listen, the best suggestion I can give is to dissolve this company. As on God, and find another name. I will grant you another license.
Thank you so much.
Sit,
sir.
Obo, sit. You not say no. Do your due diligence every time.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Way is clear. And get a leash for that puppy.
How am I the banking man? Entry documents from our freight company that you and I not privy to.
Oh. Such man, I say me that deal with all of them things.
And in hindsight, that is our biggest mistake. Let me ask you something. From we start this business arrangement, have you ever received your percentage in a timely fashion?
Come to think of it, you know. No.
Let me ask you another question. Have you ever looked at your percentage?
Yeah, that's usually accurate.
Down to the cents?
Well, that may be off a little bit, but just not anything.
Then, let me tell you something. I get into this business because of you. Not Marcus Wallace. So you see, if anything goes sideways, it's you. Me are the whole responsible. Yes, I.
Understandable.
Spare. You see, if you trust him and I don't trust him, that means me not go trust you neither.
Kim, you know you as a businessman, no say, in any investment, it comes with a degree of risk. So we know you expect so something like this. Most likely to happen. True or false?
Those are the forgiven circumstances, my friend. Yeah. Take another look on the document.
Hold on a minute. I can't leave the port here, so. And down there, the arrival port. So wait, disappear?
Why is that? A client was charged $280K US to transport a container from point A. But when it gets to point B, there is no record of it.
Joking that?
Joke? Maybe to you is a joke. But this is as serious as death to me. Remember, you know, I invested my daughter's trust fund, in this business, And you want to tell me, say this little boy, I'm going like him want to take with a big head bud? Not we. I went here, how you get all of them documents? The same way. I reign as king for so long. I have eyes and ears in every corner of the kingdom. Jehovah's. See what they talk about now. See what they talk about.
So, Kingman.
Yeah.
What the verdict?
It was Marcus Garvey, who predicted that a leader's head would roll for deceiving his people. I think it's time you set the example.
Angie, why are you so quiet? You're still vexing me?
Mike, you realize the situation you put her in, You see, the next time, please, may I beg you, anybody you recruit, make me have the final say.
Alright, Angie. Alright. I hear you. What happened again?
No. We have to find a new name and a new location.
Makes sense. Don't worry yourself. I will take on that.
You know it.
I do?
Well, I just don't want to disclose that.
Why though?
It's complicated. Very complicated.
So why do you stay?
Because a child is involved.
So how old is the child?
She's 18.
That's a young woman. She'll understand.
It's a little technical than that.
I'm really sorry to hear.
It's okay. I'm coping. Only two things that I can recall that keeps me going: my radio station and my baby girl. I literally can't wait for her to come home.
She's not here?
She normally comes every summer. But enough about me. Mr. Lawyer.
Well, almost district attorney.
Nice. So what about Mrs. Right or Miss Right?
Miss, right?
There is a Miss Right.
Well, there is a miss. As to whether how right she is, I'm not so sure.
Really? Aren't you sure?
She's distracted.
That's it. I mean, you deserve full attention.
And I mean, I don't really ask for much. But between her business and her business partner, I kind of just get pushed to the curb.
Is this business partner male or female?
Male.
Oh. Trouble in paradise.
You know, I'm hungry. And we can get something nice to eat.
Alright. I know this good place named Pepper Time. proper jerk spot with customer service. Can pop in and get some food.
Alright. That not sound bad.
Alright, just 5 minutes down the road. Lunch is on me.
You just drop me off. I'll take a cab.
Sorry about that.
She's pretty.
Thanks.
Sorry. It was just right there. Hope you don't think I was prying.
That's cool, it's fine.
It's kind of hard not to see that loud hairstyle.
Yeah, that's her image.
Well, I'm going to go to the girls' room. Excuse me for a minute.
Well, isn't it's a surprise? Hey baby. I never told me see you on the road.
I was just about to leave.
Oh, you look like you just started. Can I join you?
Yeah, sure.
Great. So we get to do lunch and dinner in one. You don't always hear about this place? I've never ever been here. It's nice and secluded. Baby, you alright?
Yeah, man. I'm good.
Yes. Give me a bit of that, please.
You are hurting my arm, Carlton.
What in that?
It is something that will help with your healing process.
I want to know what inside it.
If you release me, then I will explain. It's an extract from a plant called Arnica montana, otherwise called wolfsbane. It has excellent healing properties, and it will definitely help as a painkiller. Now, they've succeeded in making it into an injection form recently.
Recently? So that means it's still not a trial phase?
No, Carlton. It has been tested, proven, and tried. Look, I know you're not very fond of me, okay?
Fond? That's putting it mildly.
Okay, Carlton. I know you don't trust me because of our past history and all of that, but I genuinely and seriously mean you no harm.
What's your association with Marcus?
Okay, I was summoned by your brother because of my profession as a doctor, and the public hospitals, they were having a critical issue, and it's way above the head doctors. So he called me and I sorted it.
And with all your expertise and knowledge, you still managed to give Simone wrong medication during her pregnancy.
Carlton, I got caught in your brother's scheme because he promised me the highest position in the medical and the political field.
Minister of Health.
He thought that you were getting ahead of him. I mean, too powerful. And he just wanted me to slow you down. So, you don't have to worry, Carlton. The drug that I gave your woman and your baby, it was harmless.
How you get them two to make sense in our sentence? Drugs, harmless.
My oath is to save life.
To hell with you and your oath.
Okay. Because of the promise for power, I violated that. Just let me make it right. Okay? I mean you no harm, and what your brother did was really just a scare tactic. Carlton, this escape that I am a part of can cost me my license.
Oh, poor Dr. Grant.
If your brother should find out, then I'm in serious trouble. Carlton, I have to clear my conscience. This is my only redemption. Just let me help you and Simone. Okay? Carlton? One thing I forgot to mention. This injection is going to knock you out. But that's okay, you're going to need the rest.